Tip of the day: how to set up and read the histogram. Start by opening the Data Explorer. Set the graph type to histogram and switch the view type to allow multiple indicators. For this example, select BTC as your ticker and add open interest and true retail long % as the indicators. Set the time frame to maximum for a broad overview, then hit Run. Here's how to read the histogram. The first value shows Bitcoin's current open interest. The second value is the percentile, which tells you where today's data stands compared to history. For example, if true retail long % is at the 99th percentile, it means it's higher than almost all past readings. The third value reflects the 24-hour change. To make this visual on the chart, go to Settings, scroll down, and select 24 hours ago. Change the color, pick something other than white, and hit Apply. Now you'll clearly see any major shifts, like today's spike in retail long %. Use the histogram to spot extremes and unusual moves quickly. It's one of the fastest ways to measure the sentiment shifts in the market.